Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Let's get to work. So, after Friday's stream, I went to work and I got back to work. I got back home yesterday at like 2 a.m. So about 7 hours ago, and yeah, worked entire weekend. I am exhausted, but that's the grind. 7 days a week, baby. Yeah, Trade of 8 is down, I believe. Sorry. Kind of didn't trade here because of the range. So I didn't want to get caught on this range. Opening range trade was good. Um, I don't know where I have these yellow lines from, what day they were from. They were traps at some point, but I'm gonna take them out because they're not really. I'm not really looking for that. TB, yeah, that's the American dream. It's work. It's the ability to work. That is the difference in the U.S., I guess. You don't have to. There's a lot of people that don't do what I do, and they choose a different path, and it's totally fine, whatever people prefer. But guess what? I worked 7 days a week, and I don't feel like I worked a day, right? I worked on my passion. I am working right now, and guess what? I love what I do. Same thing um on the weekends. I had a great wedding yesterday, like a very young crowd. It's pretty awesome. Um, Yeah, Trade of 8 is having issues apparently. They said something yesterday. Anyone trading on Trade of 8 on other than Apex? Okay, so it's Apex's side. Okay. My other business is a DJ business. DJ and photo booths. Weddings though. I DJ weddings. So it's a wedding business. All right, well, back to the range again. Interesting. Did not. It's just, 50-point candle by the time it closes. Oh, 45. Yes, Trade of 8 is not working right now. Yeah, Apex Rhythmic is fine. It's just the Trade of 8 servers. Wow, I was not expecting that at all. Interesting sell-off here. But we did make a new high here, so I'm gonna try. If we hold, hmm. You should be able to connect to QUANTOWER with Rhythmic. I mean, I don't know why you would. Why can't you log into QUANTOWER? Yeah, this is the Colombian fans yesterday at the soccer game. Just jumping through everywhere. That was crazy. I've never seen that in my life. At least not in like the recent years. Trade of 8 is down, yes. On Apex side, they halted the trade because there was some issues. That didn't hold up at all. The one change I've made recently is waiting for the candles to close. Instead of jumping in assuming or anticipating some kind of move, I just let that one candle close. If I'm late to the entry, but at least I waited for confirmation. Instead of just jumping in here and just getting stopped out. Nice job, Slade. Position tab. Okay, let's see if we're trapped here. Oh, I'm way too high. What am I doing? Oh, I'm way too high. I didn't realize the range. My entry should have been way lower. I entered like 5 points too high. I would have been out of the trade by now. So because of that, I'm gonna break even. Let's go. See what I mean by waiting for confirmation? Didn't jump in early, but I should have entered at 6:11 and I entered at 6:21. Holy shit. What a freaking... Actually, no, sorry. Should have entered at like 6:17. So my thesis on this was, we still made a higher high here. Therefore, the trap was down below the lows, right? Big concept of a trap. It's not really... It's just something I've noticed happening. I mean... Oh, if you can't connect to QUANTOWER, I forgot. Update it. You got to update the QUANTOWER. We had that issue on Friday. Oh, I forgot to copy trade this account. Oh man, I forgot to copy trade one account. So add it back in. I took a loss on it earlier, but I was like early. It's not consecutive, but it's 10 days required, so who knows how it's gonna play out. Yeah, if you're on Tradeovate, you will not be able to trade for now. Yeah, this is a crazy chop. Crazy chop there. It is a huge range though, right? It's chop, but the range is massive. I mean, that is 60 points right here. This is 75 points from the bottom to top. It's pretty wild how when you don't have ATR, you don't know that. Or if you just have a good, vision, then you could see the spacing between the on the axis, on the price axis, the spacing is crazy, 10 points, even though I'm zoomed in. When I'm zoomed in this way, usually this is like 3 points or 2 points or even 1 point sometimes. I mean, 22, that's it's pretty intense. We passed still not approved from July 5th. Today they should be approving a lot of payouts today. So hopefully today is the day. Was my weekend busy? Yeah. After the stream on Friday, I went to work and I got back yesterday at 2 a.m. So basically worked entire weekend. Exhausted. Yes, trade of 8 is down. Not Apex, just trade of 8. Apex Rhythmic is working fine. Oh, I passed 2 EVA. I gotta hold on guys, I gotta activate 2 accounts. Forgot about that. Damn. Could have had extra money. I'm using Rhythmic. I don't use Tradeovate for any prop firm, guys. I'm a Rhythmic guy. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of Tradeovate's platform. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm just activating 2 new accounts that I passed on Thursday and I forgot to activate them. Or Friday, whatever it was. Friday on CPI and stuff. Okay. I've never traded futures around election. I only traded small caps, so that was never like, you know. Bryce, since I'm not international, I don't know exactly how that works. Price action is definitely moving in a weird way. I wonder if it's gonna pick direction or if this is what we're gonna do all day. Kat, we're not gonna discuss politics in here. This is a trading show, not news events. Payout approved on June 29th. Interesting. Your bank details. What country are you from? Spain. Well, congrats to you. Wow, this chop is crazy. Could be a trap to the short side, but I don't know if I want to trade the shorts yet. Howard, yes. Hit those likes, guys. Let's hit those likes. Appreciate that. I don't usually ask for likes, so I appreciate everyone giving the likes. It's good karma, I've been told. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here. Is it gonna break out or is it gonna do a false breakout in the trap? Because it can. It's been doing that all morning. I am not buying that. Andre, my strategy is discretionary, so it's hard to go over it in detail. You have to just watch and you'll see what I look for. But the one thing I learned about day trading is that everyone that is making money in day trading trades their own strategy. It's weird how it works, but that's how it works. You find pieces from other people and then you mold it into your own. But everyone that is profitable ends up trading their own strategy. At least from what I've seen. Like, I haven't found traders that trade the same. Do I do back testing? No. New Jersey was dope. Nice. How was the American Dream? Did you go anywhere else? Hmm. Yeah. I've been to the American Dream once, and I lived like 15 minutes away. I will get disconnected here at some point because I did activate 2 new PA accounts. Yeah, Rhythmic is working. It's Tradeaway that's not. I don't trade on Tradeaway, guys. It's 2 different servers. Yeah, Tradeaway could be down because that happened last night and they haven't fixed it yet, so it could be down for quite a bit. Nick, yeah, probably on Friday. All right. Weekend was insane. I'm exhausted. I worked from Friday end of stream till last night 2 a.m. I was surprised when I woke up this morning that I wasn't like super tired. And I woke up to my first alarm. So I didn't trade last night. I worked. Come on, market. We need another trade. Can you pass the evals with take profit trader in one day? I don't know. That's a good question. I don't think so, but I know it's a 10-day eval, or sorry, 5-day eval. But I don't know if there's consistency on it. Yeah, Mike, I work 7 days a week between both. So they don't really interfere with one another. That's how I got into trading in the first place. I had a lot of free time during the week and I was like, what can I do to make more money? And I came across trading, and then instead of making more money, I was losing money, and then I had to make sure the DJ business was making enough to pay for trading, and it was just, you know, a learning curve, obviously. I'm gonna request my payout from Top Step while I wait for a setup here. Payout request. I'm gonna take out another 1,400. It's gonna show my personal information, so I'm not gonna. But first, you do this, and I'm gonna do this. Let me see. Okay. All right. So with Top Step, um, you have your available accounts here for payout. So obviously, make sure hold on, the page is gonna refresh probably. Oh no, it didn't. Okay. So with this one, I'm only up to 11, but this is the account that I've been up and down with. But this account I've been doing well on. I think we're breaking out too. Yeah. Okay, we might have a setup coming up for me. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is my trader dashboard has 5 winning trading days. Your account wouldn't show up here if it wasn't. And then the payout request does not exceed 50% of my current account balance. So I take half of that. So I'm gonna take 1450 because why not? Now I understand going forward, my account cannot go below 0. So you give up your safety net once you request a payout from Top Step. So if you have the bigger accounts, if you make $1,000, you don't want to take out $500 because you're gonna just only have $500 left in drawdown. So keep that in mind. You get 5 Top Step accounts now, which is awesome. I have 3, but I trade them all individually, kind of. How long does it take for Top Step to approve payouts? Usually a day or 2. But you have to remember that they've done as many payouts in last 4 years as Apex has done last month. You know, so it's a way different scale. Yes, that's correct. Trade of 8 is down. I don't think there is a discount code for Top Step. Sometimes they run the discounts, but a lot of times they'll run discounts on Top Step X, not on Top Step Rhythmic. I would prefer to have Top Step Rhythmic, but I have Top Step X. But like Friday, I have one account on top. Like on Top Step, I like to just trade like when I'm driving somewhere, and I'm just gonna, if I'm not while driving, but you know, when I'm going somewhere and I'm not home. Like this was my first day on the new account last week. Made $800. So hopefully you could get this account to pay out too. And then I want to work on more Rhythmic accounts to get more Rhythmic accounts, because with Rhythmic I would just copy trade, because I have one Rhythmic that I copy with these accounts. I'm surprised this account survived the drawdown last week. Yes, it's just I've been sitting on 15 PAs. Nice. I just activated 2. It's taking a while to activate. So I'll be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, I'm at 14 right now. Yes. Oh, on Top Step. Does QUANTOWER have mobile app? No. The way I trade on QUANTOWER with mobile is by streaming my desktop to my phone by using an app called Stream. No, Splash Tap. You could stream your computer to your phone, and you could basically control your computer from a phone, and it's really sick how it works. Farrell, are you talking about evals? Is there something free for copy trading? Yes, QUANTOWER. The platform I'm using is free. All right, it looks like my PA accounts are getting activated. If you live outside of the US, I can't really tell you how it works with the payout process because I don't know. All right, I got the 2 fresh accounts. Let's add them to the copy trader here. Pum 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 pum. Yeah, that's gonna suck for those who need 10 trading days. And today is gonna be a day that is not going to allow them to take the payout. I really It's crazy how the payout window's already open. And I have no idea, like, see, like this shows up again and people are gonna be like, oh, it's still pending. How'd you get your payout when it still says pending? People are people are so funny sometimes. Yeah, unless they fix it before market close, which I really hope they do. Is QUANTOWER the only free copy trader? No. There's a free copy trader for Ninja as well, somehow, somewhere. I don't know details. I just know there is one. I don't know how good it is either. Um, I've more than doubled it. Well, I exactly doubled it. Yes, but we're talking about free copy traders, guys, not paid copy traders. And I'm not gonna have an affiliate code for something I don't use. If you need a code for Replicanto, you could use Nutty or Nutty Bar. I forget. Yes, trade of 8 is down, guys. All right. Just missed the trap there. We're gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient to see if we come back low to the lows here. Is payout request page down? It wasn't like a couple minutes ago. And it's not down for me. Look at this, baby. 89 days. Can I make it to 100 days with this baby? Missed trading. Thanks for joining the members club. Congrats on your recent success. Killed it today. There was some kind of trap there, but just nah. I wanted to trap off these lows. But let's see if this would have been. I don't know if this would have worked. Not yet. Good way to start trading futures with zero previous knowledge in trading. We need you to trade on a demo account. Trying to, you might have to. It's good to invest. Okay, investing to do it properly is important. So you could do. I think. What's the easiest way to get a demo account on futures? So you get a full simulator without lag, without anything. I know Ninja has it. If you buy an eval, I think QUANTOWER has it. I just don't know if free QUANTOWER has it. TradingView sucks. I don't like TradingView for some reason. It's very clunky. The charts are great on TradingView, but not the sim. Trade Day has a trial eval. Okay. Nevada, thank you for joining the members club. You guys don't have to do that, but you do get 4 times the entries for giveaways, and then we also do members only giveaways as well. Ruts butts, nice. Congrats to you, $8,000. That's a big payout. Trader rates working with Take Profit, but not with Apex. Got it. All right, so all we needed to do is go like 2 ticks lower, and I would have been in this trade. But would I have been stopped out? Possibly, depending on. I didn't see if this wick was created before or after it went to the highs here. So the candle opened here. I don't know, did it go down and then went up? No, I blew 10 PAs and I had 20. I blew 8 technically. But like this account had like $40 in drawdown or $30 in drawdown and I saved it. I do lifetime now, but I used to do monthly. Well, hopefully if you're still waiting today, you get your approval. Damn, I'm not. The volatility is dying down a little bit too. Just trying to be patient here and find something I like. Do I have some kind of routine? For what? And we continue higher. Some play FIFA Anthem. I'm gonna show you guys my DJ setup from this weekend. It's pretty sweet. No, trader weight is down. It's not just you. This was my setup last night. That's my DJ booth. Usually there's a picture here, and this time was just text, and I really love how it came out. Very minimalistic and clean. Whoa, 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 whoa. Do I play vinyl? No. I used to use turntables, though, for Serato. Techniques 1200s. I'm old, so I learned how to DJ on CDs. That's how old I am. And that's how long I've been DJing. I started on CDs. So we have a resistance at 743. But who knows? We might want to just go back to the highs after Thursday. So I'm looking at this. So Friday we had a huge move up. Thursday, huge move down. So we'll see what happens here. Yeah, CDs were so hard to keep organized. It was, I don't know how I would do it now. QUANTOWER order history. I don't know, Nathan. I don't know exactly. I just go to the dashboard of the prop firm, and usually they have it. You're old only if you learn on vinyl. I would be able to DJ on vinyl though. Like I wouldn't be able to quick mix and stuff, but give me 2 songs, I'll be able to mix them on vinyl, no problem. Beat matching was a thing back in the day. Beat matching doesn't work anymore. Beat matching is automated nowadays. You see everything on the screen, so there's no... I mean, yesterday I had to mix so fast. The bride was like, oh, can you mix like super fast? Am I liking the new car? That's That's one thing I haven't had time to do is drive the car a lot, and I will be driving it this week because I'm still busy this weekend, but I definitely want to put at least like 200 miles on it this week. I have a track day on August 26th. I hope I could break the car in by then. It's just also super hot outside. Um, really want to work on my garage. I was supposed to do that. Like, supposed to do a whole new setup for my desk. Supposed to do a garage. A lot of projects I want to do, but just hard with work every single day. What does a track day cost? Well, there's a lot of hidden fees that you don't think about. But the actual track day to register costs around $350 to $450 for the entire day. So that's just the cost of the track day. Then you got to factor in the cost of the car, the maintenance, the prep, the gas, the hotel, and then most importantly, track insurance. With my old car, I would spend roughly around 1,000 for a track day. With the new car, I'm gonna spend around 2,000 for a track day. Trade of 8 is down for Apex right now. It's been down since last night, so I'm not expecting it to be back anytime like soon, any minute. Hopefully before the end of the day, though. It's down for most props. Someone just said that it's fine on Take Profit Trader. I don't think it's. What do you mean? Is it considered DCA in what way? Is it normal for your payout request now to show up under PA payments? Um, all right, we've found a little trend here. We still got some room. When does the 250K promo end? Well, now it's a promo for 150K through 300K. It's not just 250K. The promo ends, I don't know, end of the month, I believe. And the $85 activation ends on August 15th. Andrew, thank you so much for those kind words. Obviously, there was a lot of comments out there when the ORB was no longer allowed that I will not be getting payouts anymore, right? Which I knew wasn't gonna be the case, but let them talk. Let them talk. The only thing though is that I still do the same thing every single day at the open, like an ATM machine. Think how much money it's in there. And if I win one more time today on, so I'm copy trading obviously from Apex to this account. If I win one more time today on this account, then I'll be able to activate another one from Bull Locks, because I have one that's passed. So at least I hope I do, because I do. Alex, what do you mean doing this on purpose? No, I can't do the opening range trade on Apex. Make a video on my ORB strategy. I already got it banned, so why would I? Why would I make more videos about it? It shows that sometimes when you have a true edge of some sort, it could get banned, right? Obviously, that's how it works. In real markets, if you have a true edge and you expose it, it will disappear because the algorithms and the market makers will adjust. And then if you do it on a sim environment, the prop firms will adjust. So because I'm using Rhythmic, guys. You guys should know this. This is a basic principle of any prop firm that allows multiple connections. Rhythmic connection is way different than it's from Tradeaway. It's not the same thing. And Tony, I mean, I don't know exactly how you do it. I could do on Top Step, yeah, but I don't do on Top Step. But Top Step takes too long to pass evals, and unfortunately, the ORB trade is a little bit risky, so I don't want to. For now, I just dedicate my Ball Knox accounts for those. I can't do it on Apex. But the main reason why I can't do it is because the way I trade it. You could still do an opening range trade. You just got to pick one direction and use a stop loss. If I could use 30 tick stop loss and a 60 tick take profit on my opening range trade, then I would still do it. That's not my parameters though for the opening trade, so I don't do it. Doesn't matter. Jeremy, yes, I did that. I did that because I wanted to show that the entries are exactly the same. But the edge, the edge on the opening trade is $200 a day. The only way to have a huge edge on that is to have a lot of accounts. All right, I'm not gonna risk, going 5 to 10 contracts. I'd rather trade this the way I'm trading now. Honestly, guys, the changes have made me a better trader overall as far as with futures and how I'm trading right now. And I think it's only gonna get better. So I'm not complaining one bit. I never complained really. I have a different mentality. I'm thankful for the opportunity. I traded my own account for a long time, and I know how difficult trading really is. And people that have never traded their own accounts, they only started with prop firms. They take this for granted. They have no idea what the real traders had to go through just a few years ago. Not on futures, but even on futures though. If you go back, I think 2019, prior to 2019, which is not that long of a time ago, there was no micro futures. Micro futures are new. So imagine going into trading NASDAQ. You would not survive. It's just not possible. I mean, you'll get destroyed. Um, I traded small caps stocks, so I was able to, control my risk a little bit more. But it hurts when you lose 10 grand of your own money. Brad, is it making you a better trader or worse? Yes, I was doing OCO. Do you add to the winners? Not yet. No. You've lost thousands since prop firms, but you're talking about fees? Do you think the personal account is harder than prop firm? Way harder. You could be a shitty, unprofitable trader and make money with prop firms. You can't do that with the live account. Josh, okay, on evals. But then when you do the math on how much you've actually lost in the evals on the money side, right? So one eval is $2,500 of risk. Imagine that in your live account, right? Imagine first trade ever you take, you lose $1,500 in 5 minutes, like I did. That was my first ever day trade I took on stocks. $1,500 loss, and then the market just goes, well, the stock goes, and I missed this, kind of, not really. It's gonna be hard for me to take another trade, by the way. Gonna try to be patient, but trading real money is way more difficult, way riskier, and most people will give up before they become profitable. Well, we haven't had a trap, so I was waiting for a trap. We haven't had a single trap, which sucks because the price keeps going higher. When you just think that it can't go any higher, it keeps going higher, and like all we needed was this. Didn't get it. Here, same thing. All we needed was to break this by a few ticks, and I would have been long. Now we're making maybe like that. Has Rhythmic been down this long? I don't know. I don't recall Rhythmic being down for that long. But Tradeovate has been down before. Just gonna set my hand. No more trades for me. Am I trading my personal account? No. I closed it. I don't know. End of this month, end of June, I believe. Just took the money out. I mean, I'll go back to I might try Edge Clear or something. I don't know. Would love like a sponsorship from a broker. That would be sweet too. Because I don't really need it, right? I don't need to trade my live account. Uh, no, it's trading futures actually cheap. You just need $1,000 per contract. Liquid. So if you want to trade one contract, you have to have $1,000 in your account, and that is like including your stop loss. So add a stop loss on top of that. So once you get to, let's say, $900 in the account and you are long or short one mini on NASDAQ, they will sell you out. It's called the margin call. If you're trading ES, it's $500. So it's not bad at all. But for now, I don't see the huge benefit. For me, I trade small, right? So for me, there's no benefit with the live account. My benefit would be from a large one account. But the reason why I don't want to trade a live account right now is like, look what happened last week, right? Last week I went on the drawdown for 3 days. had a bad week, and it would have affected me in a bad way. Versus here, I don't even know how much I lost from the top of these accounts. I'm just gonna work to get these accounts back to payout stage, you know, that's all there is to it. I'm not gonna be able to get a lot of payouts, but I would like to get at least, so I'll get 10,000 from Bull Knox, hopefully. I got 1,400 from Top Step. So that would put me close to 50. If I could get to 56,000, that'll be my second best month. Because my best month, my second best month is 52,000. So if I could beat that, I'll be happy. Wow, we just keep going higher and higher. Like, it's so annoying. Trade, just one trade. I mean, two trades, opening range trade and this, but just can't get another setup that I like. We're approaching some resistance now. We're approaching the high of Friday. Someone asked, I think Chris was asking about top step evals and why they're harder to pass, because there's a consistency rule. So you can't make more than 50% in one trading day. So if you trade with top step, you got to trade for 2 days at least. And the most you can make is half of the account. So if you have a losing day, then you add another extra day of, so like if you have a losing day on the eval, then it's gonna make it, you know, instead of 2 days, it's gonna be 4 days now. The moving average, I don't use them religiously, no. It's just something I'm used to having on my screens for years. Going back to stocks. Kind of gives me an idea how extended we are. If it's trending or is it chop, like when they're flat, you know, I know it's choppy. Okay, did we break the highs of Friday yet? Yep, we did. Wow, just sitting here watching this go without me the whole time. How many accounts do I have left? I lost, I think 9 accounts total. 8 on Thursday. Then I had 2 accounts with like less than $50 in drawdown on Friday. One of them I saved it, this account. And then the other one I lost. I activated 2 new ones today. This is also a new one. That activated on Friday. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 from Bullnox. I need to get this to 52,600, and I'll be able to activate a 25K account from Bullnox. And I have 3 accounts on Top Step, so I don't even know how many accounts that is. 20 or close to 20. What's the issue there? How do you run multiple Rhythmic Pros? Just open multiple Rhythmic Pros. If you open it again on your computer, and it will open a new one. Sell-off is coming? Oh, man. Why do I choose 50K evals over 150K? I don't. It's just I'm very bad with canceling evals. So they renew. And that's how I get stuck with them. I'm just very bad at canceling. Matter of fact, I had some over the weekend that renewed and reset. So it's like, I'm really bad with that. Oh, God. I just don't know what to do, guys. I need more trades to get these payouts, but just don't want to force anything. I'm going to stay patient for another hour, but if we don't get anything by noon, I'm going to go lay down. Just kidding. No time for that. I have 1 PA monthly. How do I pay for it? It should auto pay. It's gonna auto renew or whatever you want to call that. Yes, trade of 8 is down. I'm just chilling here, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm just looking stuff up. That's how trading is sometimes. Sometimes it's, waiting for a setup forever, and sometimes you miss them. Can you help us with processing payouts on Apex? I wish I could. I'm still waiting for my payout. Did not receive it yet. I'm approved. I'm saying I didn't receive the money yet. Todd, yeah, I mean, trading is hard, so do you have any trading experience prior to that? Stocks, futures, anything? Oh, what an annoying day. Can you change tick to points? I don't think so. I'll be right back, guys. Give me 2 seconds. We have not broken a single previous swing low in this whole uptrend. This was the closest we got. I don't think Top Step makes it easy for anyone to calculate that. Because if you go to Top Step, you go to Payouts, you could see the payouts, but let's see, is my name on here yet? I requested at like 9:30. Nope. How far back does this go? There we go. This is me. That's the last payout. The Apex Discord is off right now, yes. Do I watch the round numbers? I don't pay attention to round numbers enough, probably. Should probably pay attention more. No, I worked Pine Tree. I watched some of the Euro final, but the Copa final I did not watch. So yesterday I did a wedding. And one of the groomsmen, which I did also his wedding 3 years ago, is a former US player, and he plays in the MLS right now. He got injured in June. A really good defender. Can I use my Apex copier with Top Step or any other prop firm? Yes. As long as it's rhythmic connections. And you won't be able to log in to everything at the same time. I'm not sure what time I'm streaming till. It's 11:20. We'll see. I would like to take another trade. I would like to take another trade for sure. Trade of 8. Steve, have you requested the payout and then refresh the page? When do they usually send the payments? Around now. So we should be getting the payments like tomorrow or Wednesday. Same issue here with payout on Apex. Okay. Um, I could request a payout from one of the accounts, but I'm not going to, so. Oh man, I just don't know what to do. FTMO is not allowed in the US. It's FTMO, it's not the same. Oh man, I'm just bored. There we go, finally. All right, maybe we'll get something now. All right, now we watch for setup. BN star. I guess I could, but that's one. There's no tools. On the only tools you see is QUANTOWER, and I'm trading the Nasdaq futures with Apex and Top Step. Apex is now down for Rhythmic. Apex is down only on Trader 8. All right, the more this goes down, the better. Got a little trapezoid going on here. Maybe even here. I like this. All right, let's see. Finally big sell off. 78 points right there. Gonna give it a try there. Reversal. It's rejecting. It didn't work. I'm gonna try again. I think candles just gotta be a little stronger. No, $700 to $800 is not. You're good with making $700 to $800 a day in the first couple days. That's not bad. All right, the setup is still there. Just gotta wait for this candle to close green. Gonna give it some wiggle room just in case. We could have just have a big sell-off too, so we'll see. But I guess that didn't work. Oof. Wild move. No, 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 no. Tradeaway has been down since last night, fortunately, guys. So I would take a day off and just come back at like 4 p.m. to see if you could open and close a trade. So at least you count it as a trading day. Let's see, can we get a reversal here? Patience, patience. Take this line out. Come on, go, go, go. And stop is going to get moved up. That's going to be unfortunate, but damn. So close. Two points away. Just gonna close it. Be happy with that. Ah, fuck. There it goes. Damn it. There it goes. Fuck. Oh. Nice trade though. Nice trade. How much did we miss on that? How many ticks? Yeah, only 8 ticks. Only a little bit. Hey, what's up? Taste. That was my little niece and my sister. They're going to pick up my nephew from his first hockey practice. Apparently, he was not too happy. But I think I'm gonna call it a day here. I mean, 2 wins, 1 loss. Could have been a little bit up more on the profits if I would have let that hit the full target, but hey, it could have just reversed. If I didn't take that, it could have just reversed on me, so I'm happy. There's gonna be another long opportunity for sure, though. For me, I mean, I could still take another one because now I got cushion, so I wouldn't be red no matter what. I'm in. And I'm out. Nope, not yet. I'm gonna get stopped out here for sure. I'm taking that. As soon as I got in, I regretted taking it, so I'm gonna call it a day there. I don't care if this wins or not, to be honest. It was not really a trap. There was really no. This was more a 200 moving average bounce, into this 20 moving average. But happy with this profit for sure. So at the end of the day, we are up. Tally everything up. So we got 1260 on Bullnox, 7100 on Apex, and 420 on, or 400 on, because that doesn't include commissions. So what is that? 71, 12, 80, 300, 400, 8800. How to add Apex and QUANTOWER? Very easy. You go to login, go to Rhythmic. You're gonna select Rhythmic. You could add a new connection. So if you want add Rhythmic connections, you just gotta add this little plus here, and then you're gonna go to here, and you're gonna scroll up to Apex, and you want to do Apex Chicago. Then go to connection settings. You could turn this off, so it's not gonna show your blown accounts. So that makes it easy for evals if you have a lot of evals and you have like a messy dashboard like I do. But I don't know what this is. This would have been a winner actually. Pretty wild. Could have been the $10,000 day, but I didn't really like that, especially since I almost got stopped out. I'm glad I broke even on it. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for me. It's a little 3-hour session. I need some rest, but I'm not gonna rest too much. I'm just gonna drive the car a little bit, maybe. You could disconnect that, Dan. How often do I stream? Every single day. Yes, I stream daily, guys. Who's here? Type 1 if you're brand new to my channel. Like, this is like the first time you're ever watching. Is there any brand new people in the chat? Usually I'm more active. It's just I worked all weekend. Literally finished the stream at like 1 o'clock on Friday. I went to work and I worked Friday and I worked Saturday and I worked Sunday. And I got home at 2 o'clock in the morning last night. So I'm a little exhausted. But I love the grind. Since I closed the trade out early, no, why would they do that? The thing is with Apex and the stop losses and the targets is that they want you to have, they don't want you blowing the account in one trade, and they don't want you having huge losses in comparison to your wins. They could still be much bigger than your wins. All my losses for the last, I'm not taking a bigger than $150 loss in the last month. Or more. Like every single loss I take, yes, I take multiple losses sometimes, but the biggest loss per trade is $150 plus fees. The trade rate on Apex is down as of last night. Have I received the payout from Apex yet? For this payout window, you mean, Celine? I did not receive my payout for July 5th. Do you ever feel FOMO when you're down on the day, but you see a perfect setup? Well, sometimes you still got to take it, right? Sometimes you still got to take it. Some people are saying Apex denies a payout. Yeah, if you break rules, they will deny a payout. There's no doubt about that. They're not like they used to be. Prior to May, if you didn't break the consistency rule or the flipping rule with Apex, you didn't get denied. Now they're denying for a few other reasons. A lot of the big people that you've seen get denied is because they flip the accounts a lot, meaning they have a lot of PA accounts with just one payout and not more. So they're denied because maybe they DCA'd and then, they didn't meet the criteria for the payout for the next time. And the probation status, all it is that they have to keep the safety net in the account, which is not that big of a deal if you ask me. I wouldn't mind Apex going into safety net for everyone. I think a safety net for the first, let's say, 2 months would not be a bad idea. That could have been it on Tony, but for him it was more, I think, DCA. The thing is, they can't disclose exactly. That's the thing. They can't really disclose. But for him, it was DCA initially. I'm not sure what the second part was, and then if he's on probation, then he just got to keep them. I mean, for him to keep the cushion, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna be happy with the profit. I would love to have 2 wins. I took that loss. If I didn't take this loss, I would have taken another trade. Because now I would be up around $600. And then, one day I want to trade until I lose, right? So there could be a day where the setups are there and I could get like 3 wins in a row and then take another trade. If I win, all right, I'm going to take one more. So I'm going to have 4 wins, maybe 5, and see. I mean, obviously for consistency, I wouldn't go too high up, but I wouldn't do more than 3 wins really though. Yeah, 3 wins would be kind of pushing it for consistency. What do I mean by safety net? By safety net is the initial risk. So the 50K account, $2,600, you can't take it out right away. Kind of like Bullnox does it. Doesn't Take Profit Trader have safety net as well? Oh, if I stay here, it's gonna tempt me to take more trades. Trader V is not working. Trader JX. Whoa, what just happened? Take a screenshot for the Discord, and I'm gonna be heading out of here. Yeah, a little green. Little green. I mean, 7,000 is... If I had all 20 accounts, this would have been a really good green day. But sometimes that's how it goes. Tradeovate is not working, no. However, for those who are not... Yes, that's why it's harder to pass the bigger accounts, because the trailing drawdown does not stop on the eval. And that's why sometimes when you trade the news with an eval, you could actually pass but fail at the same time. Like, I've had accounts where I passed it, but I went into admin mode because obviously... this is so tempting. Yes, that's correct, Adam. Someone else said that it's not working right now. Take profit trader. Yeah, aspirations, I've heard some things about them, so I might give it a try eventually. Fast track trading. How much cushion do you build up before taking the first payout? Um, I'm happy with anything over 3,000. So as long as I leave myself $1,000 in cushion, I'm happy with that. I've done less and I've done way more, but you just can't time it somehow. Sometimes, you know, you don't know if you're gonna have a losing day or not. So yeah, 20% consistency sucks depending on your style, but for my style, it would be great. Aspirations, I would pick up one. I would pick up one, get a payout, and then use the payout to pay for more. That's how I'm gonna do it. I want to take this trade. It's definitely not ideal because it didn't break the highs here. I think I should just be done. I think being up this much should be good enough for a Monday. I've had some really good Mondays lately. You have to download them. They're not web-based. I don't know of any rhythmic platforms that are web-based, to be honest, that are good. If you need to trade on web, I think your best bet is Tradeovate or TopStepX. But even that's not optimal. Or you could just use a streaming software to stream your PC. That's how I trade on QUANTOWER. I should make a video on that. I think down below here, if this rotates all the way back down, definitely gonna be a good long, but so I use what's called Splash Top. I don't know if they have a trial or not, but there's free softwares like that too. And you could just legit have your computer and then you control the mouse on your phone. You see your desktop and everything. I would just see this, right? I would see this part of my screen and trade it normally. Like I will have the cursor and then it's super easy. Wow, we're gonna rotate all the way back to the lows. That is pretty wild. All right, guys. I'll see everyone soon. Rogue Trader, no, you're just always delayed. I don't know why you always have issues, but you must be clicking out of the browser because there should be no delay on my stream at all. Um, you just when you click out of the browser, it won't put you live. See how quick that is? That's how much delay there is, like 2 seconds. Not even. I'm at the lowest setting possible. James, have done that so many times last week. The only reason why I lost some of my accounts last week is because of that. Is because I didn't let my winners go to targets. There's gonna be a nice juicy long setting up here shortly, but I don't know. Don't know if I'm gonna take it. Yeah, it's weird, Rogue Trader. You've had this issue for a while, I remember. It just sucks when you're not live because then sometimes you want to say something and then I'll respond to you and it seems like it's delayed, but it's not. There should be no one following. There should be no one following the trades anyway. I really hope there's no one following my trades. I mean, sometimes I take the trades on with market orders, so you can't even follow. Let's see how Top Step people are doing. Oh, Top Step took out their PNL thingy. Yeah, if it's not red, it's a good point. If the live button is not red, it's not live. This has to be red. Can I get some more likes on this stream, guys? Do you have any rental properties? No. Um, for now, I'm gonna invest into the markets, I think. Click here. I've done that in the past and it got banned, so I'm not going to do it again. I don't want to ban it across every prop uh prop firm. It's really not even anything crazy. It's just it's also discrepancy. It's not black and white. You can't code it, you know, even though some people attempted to code the strategy. Maybe they found a way, but um I'm glad that whole thing with the ORB is kind of gone. It brought so much drama to the prop firm space that it was crazy. I trade better now than I did with the ORB. The ORB was consistent until it wasn't. Now I have to restart, which I can't do it this way anymore. Don't put a mortgage on it. How the hell would I get it? Do you know how expensive properties are in New Jersey? Gotta pay my. How are you gonna pay $1 million cash? Yeah, other areas. That's a lot of work. At that point, I have no time. You guys have to realize I work 7 days a week. I don't have time to explore and travel and go to different areas to buy properties. It's just not. It's not who I am right now. Maybe in 5, 10 years. I mean, I know people with rental properties and like a 2-family house. It's not worth my time. For me personally, for them it might be. For me personally, it's not worth the time hassle. Like my DJ friends was telling me like his tenants passed due rent. They said they're gonna pay today, so he said he's gonna see if they're gonna pay on time. Do I take this? Actually, we'll not wait. Yeah, property rentals. That's another thing. I compare that to trading with prop firms, right? The risk to reward, because like obviously there was a lot of things going on at that time. I mean, there was people saying I wasn't even profitable with prop firms because I was spending way more money on evals and fees than I was getting paid out, which was obviously I'm not even gonna get, to the basic levels of math. But the thing is, even if I spent 100,000 to take out 300,000, even if I spent 150,000 to take out 300,000, as long as that 300,000 was from payouts, right, over time, that is still a 50% return on money. Like you're not getting that real estate in a very long time. So I was comparing it, how much money you have to have in real estate to make a little money. It's long term. I'm just earning 5% of some of my money in the bank. So it gets me a little, a little cushion, pays for the car insurance, whatever. A few other things. And then once the market crashes, I'm gonna go all in the market. I've been trading for quite a long time now, and I've seen, I think, 3 market crashes. So I think that it's gonna happen eventually again. And I'm not talking about 2008 crash. I'm talking about like COVID. We had a couple crashes, elections, whatever, that the market just tanked for a few days significantly, where it was worth putting money in. Now we're at all-time highs. I'm not putting money in at all-time highs. I don't care if it keeps going higher. I'm happy with my 5%. Yeah, it's a skill. It's a job, futures trader. That's the big thing. You said it right there. It's a job. It's not passive income. Anyone that thinks real estate is passive income just has no clue about what passive income is. There is no passive income, and to be honest, the only passive income is interest, really. Everything requires work. I'm not into crypto, so I don't really know much about it. I trade minis. All right, guys. We could get a trap here, but I don't like that. So I think a better trap would be like this. So we have a up like this. I think that would be better, like somewhere around here. Oh, there we go, just like that. If we get it. This could just be a V-shaped reversal. Stress is in any business. If you're not self-employed, you might have a little bit less stress, but if you're self-employed, you're gonna have stress no matter what. There's just no way around it. The way to make trading less stressful is to have another source of income. I can't imagine day trading full time. I just can't. Because with day trading full time, if you go in a down spiral and you have bills to pay, it could just end in a disaster. Versus if you have other sources of income, whether that's a job, second business, rental properties are paying off, let's say you live in a property that pretty much pays itself off, stuff like that, then it's a little bit different, right? But if you're trying to live paycheck to paycheck from trading, that's just very stressful. I would never do that. We'll find a better code than that. Anyone got a code that doesn't say ICT in it? Take Profit Trader has been 40% off for the longest time, so it's not like... There you go. If you want Take Profit Trader, Trader JX, how long have you been trading full time? I have a promo code from QUANTOWER, but it's only 10% off. Yeah, rogue trader, you need some IT professionals to visit you. Uh, what do you do when you travel for more than 5 days? I mean, most places have internet when you travel, no? My Discord is closed currently. I open my Discord once in a while on stream. I don't like random people joining the Discord. There's too many rats in this industry from different, Discords, and creates a lot of drama. Does QUANTOWER do Black Friday or so for a lifetime? I'm not sure. I've never seen that. It's not that expensive though. I wouldn't do lifetime. I would just do yearly. Would you agree that your favorite prop firm is Apex? Oh, by far. I would not be able to make this many payouts without having this many accounts. The huge benefit of Apex is 20 accounts, obviously. Um, but also being able to take out from the safety net and the 1 day pass evals all make it, the best for me. Definitely needs adjustment to your strategy. So if you are someone that is able to trade big, that's different. I mean, I don't trade big. I make small profits, here and there. So multiple accounts is key for me. Is streaming a good source of income other than trading? Yeah, I would say so. There's different levels of it. If you get to my level, you make some money. If you get, past my level, and there's a lot of channels like that, or like the mid-tier channels, they'll be making decent money. And then once you get to like Patrick or Matt's level, I mean, that's huge money. But it's very hard to get to, and it's just as hard as trading, if not harder, because you have to deal with it. You have to be consistent. You have to find the right approach. You have to, break through all the other channels. There's so many channels out there, especially now popping up, that if you do the same thing as everyone else, it's just gonna, I mean, I've seen streams that look exactly like mine, like legit like replicas of mine, and same concept and all that stuff, and it's great. But at the same time, like, if you're not gonna do something unique, then it's gonna be harder for you to break through. And you have to stream for the right reasons, right? I've had my channel for 6 7 years now, or whatever it's been. I didn't make any money till last year, end of last year, on YouTube, and I had YouTube content for all those years. I never started YouTube to make money. My entertainment is other streamers. I actually hang out on other streams. Last night when I got home from work, I watched Call of Duty streams. This guy rallied, I watch. So I watch that, and that's my entertainment. So for me, I love streaming. This is my favorite part of, and people want to support me. I'm not selling anything. YouTube ad revenue is decent as well when you get bigger viewership. You know, it could pay for a car, it could pay for some bills, it could do a lot of things. AdSense is not gonna make you a lot. You can make, a couple grand a month from AdSense, but to make a lot, it's definitely sponsorships and affiliates. Those are the two big ones. Any big YouTuber is gonna make money off of sponsorships for the most part. Affiliates, it depends what industry you're in. Obviously, in trading, affiliates, um, it depends on your support system really, because you could get a sponsorship from a prop firm that's gonna be better than affiliates, or you could get, if you have like a huge channel and people are gonna use you, then you can make more money. So it's definitely something to consider. One of the reasons why I declined sponsorships from like Top Step, and the sponsorship works different than affiliate, right? Sponsorship is more like you get paid regardless of what you do with the signups, because anyone could be an affiliate, right? Anyone could be an affiliate. Everyone, I mean, half of my Discord promotes other prop firms in there. They have their codes in their usernames and stuff, and that's fine. Anyone could be an affiliate, so there's no difference. So it's an even ground. But sponsorship, you really have to have a big following, and sometimes it's better to just hold off, right? Prolong the because the prop firm might want, if they see potential in your channel, they might want to sign you, and this doesn't have to be trading, it could be anything. They might want to sign you when you're still growing because they could sign you for less, right? And then they're gonna lock you in for a year or two, and then you're gonna miss out on a lot. So for me, I just knew I couldn't make the same money with trading with Top Step that I could make um with Apex. 20 accounts. I mean, there's just nothing that can compete. And if you trade with, if I traded with Top Step as a sponsor, I don't think I would be able to trade with Top Step. I mean, with Apex. Don't think they would like that. So you want to know what's going on with Apex and Tradeovate? Not sure. It's something on Tradeovate's end. You said you usually entered right there and always got wrecked. Right here, you mean? Is Rips a sponsor of Top Step? I would think so, yeah. Yeah, he has to be. I don't. I think everyone that goes on Top Step TV is a sponsor. They told me like if you sign, oh, that's a nice trap there, guys. Oof. Mm. But there's nothing wrong with sponsorships. If you grow your channel, that's the optimal goal, right? Again, you're not selling anything. As long as you're not making up numbers that you're making $100,000 in payouts and you're not actually getting payouts, I think it's fine. And I think you have to be careful with people that sell courses. I think people that sell courses and charge for services, just make sure they have a good track record of making profits. I I spent a lot of money on chat rooms. Well, that trap didn't work. I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. It's already 1 o'clock. If you're new to my channel, um, my goodbyes sometimes are pretty long. So when I say I'm done streaming, and someone asks me a question, sometimes I could just escalate things, and we could go off for, a discussion for an hour before I actually end the stream. So don't ever exit the stream when I say goodbye until the stream is actually off. So again, my goal is to beat February. February, my payouts were 52,000. I'm not gonna be able to beat April for a long time, I don't think, but February I should be able to beat this month, which would be very good accomplishment. Do I stream every day? Yes, I do. When am I getting back to small caps? Probably later this year. It's not addiction. It's I haven't, I used to stream till 4 o'clock. I mean, it's not like now there could be a trade, setting up at some point. Um, let's see, was this the trap? But you guys are saying Powell was gonna speak. Is he speaking yet? Yeah, trader rate is down. Damn it. Big candle there. Nah, not gonna work. I'm gonna shut off because too volatile, actually. Too volatile. Can't trade this right now. Little extra gains. Did I make like $1,000 on that? What was my P&L before this? 7-1. Oh yeah, I made $1,000. I'll take that. That was not really a good trade, but 90% off if you use your code today for what? Yeah, Powell's speaking, that's why it's volatile. All right, guys. I'll talk to everyone tomorrow. I'm signing off. Be careful. Powell's speaking. Hopefully Tradeovate is good to go by close today, so at least you could flip a trade, so you could get a trading day counted. Take care, guys, and I'll see everyone tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Hit that like, hit the bell, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. All right, guys, I appreciate you. Hope you guys had a good day. Good start to the week. Let's keep it going. And yeah. This time we're signing off for good. It's almost 1 o'clock, so it's pretty late. And I'm exhausted, but I'm gonna go try to put some miles in the car. Later, guys.